Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to be doing something real special for you. I'm going to be making an amazing breakfast pancakes for you. I'm going to be making peanut butter and jelly pancakes today. We're going to make them healthy, we're going to make them plant-based, and we're going to make them oil-free. So this recipe is pretty simple and I make it all the time. I don't really change my pancake recipe, it's always the same, because I find it to be one of the easiest recipes ever. It's so easy, it has minimal ingredients, it's easy, and it's healthy. So first thing we want to do is add our flour into the bowl. You can use a different type of flour. I'm using whole wheat flour. You can use buckwheat flour or oat flour, but whatever it is, 1 cup. I have baking powder, cornmeal, and coconut sugar. And you don't have to use the coconut sugar if you don't want to. And the cornmeal, you can replace it with flax meal or chia meal. The next thing that I want to do is add a cup of soy milk. Now I'm going to get a whisk and I'm going to mix it together. If I see that the batter is too thick, I will add just a little bit of water. 1 tablespoon is about enough to get it together. Perfect. Our batter is ready. And now let's move on to the skillet. In a hot skillet, we're going to add our pancakes. And I love this batter. I make a small batch. You can double the recipe or multiply it if you want it for like your whole family, because this is not going to be enough. This is only going to be enough for you, for 1 person or 2 people, because it's just, you can only make 3 large pancakes or 6 to 5 small pancakes. I used all natural peanut butter because I don't like any oils or sugar or corn syrup in my peanut butter or sugar at all. So I use all natural peanut butter. I actually buy it in bulk at Winko's. You can get it in a bulk section. It comes out in a machine and it's only peanuts, and that's it. It's only peanuts. Yeah, this is the one that I'm going to be using today. But if you can't get that one or in bulk, the best option that you can do is the all natural, smooth, old-fashioned peanut butter. This one just has peanuts and like literally 1% or less of salt. So it has very little salt. This one's okay. Pancakes are ready to be flipped. And I didn't use any oil spray this time, so it'll be kind of hard to pull them out, because my non-stick pan is not that good. But if you cook them right, they come out. Like if you cook the pancakes right and you wait till like they develop a nice tough layer, they'll be able to flip. As you can see, I'm flipping them no problem. And I did not put any oil on anything, any butter, nothing. Everything is clean. Come to the last step. And our steps are pretty simple. Step 1, make the pancakes in the batter. Step 2, make the pancakes. Step 3, garnish and put it together. Peanut butter, good worth. We put peanut butter on 1 layer. And then we have some of our jam or strawberry preserve, whichever one you have. On the peanut butter, I love a little crunch, so I like to add some peanuts. Finish it off with some jam on the top, a little peanut butter, and some nuts. And this is only a tablespoon of, like literally a handful. And we side it with some delicious oranges, maybe even some lemon zest if you want to get all fancy. I personally don't want to get all fancy. Peanut butter and jelly pancakes are as simple as you can get them. They just need peanut butter and jelly. and some milk on the side and your mouth to enjoy. Well, anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye. Look at these pretty pancakes. They look so beautiful. So now let's try it. And I really want to taste it with you because I want you to know how it tastes. It stopped raining out there, so we have time to taste it. So I want a little piece. And I know that these pancakes are really good because they always taste good. I always use the same recipe. Well, it tastes good. This is yummy.